What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. It's actually been about a week since the 3rd and 4th of July. I've been doing other things. Gotta do that life stuff. You can see I got quite the project going here. Putting in a retaining wall and a fence and stuff up between me and my neighbors. So sometimes, life gets in the way and you gotta do things. But look what's back. We have the Tuff truck. That's right, guys. The Tuff truck is back. It is now official. They are going to be running again in September. So who knows, upgrades. I'm thinking shackle flip, maybe some shocks, because we blew the stock shocks, or not stock shocks, but the shocks that we put on there. We might do some stuff with tires. I'm thinking maybe gutting out the core support and the inner wheel wells and stuff like that. So more Tuff truck project to come. And of course I got the race car in here. I attempted to start a video about a week ago, and I got the car unloaded and I rinsed it, and then I got a call to go to sushi and I went and did that. I'll show you the clips from the video that I attempted to start before, but as you can see, I really didn't get anything done. I mean it got like a minor rinsing, and then it had to get pushed in there to get out of the way so the Tuff truck could be moved over here so that I could get a tractor over there. So playing musical stuff here, but this project over here shouldn't take me very long. I should be able to get started on this type of stuff, but sometimes life gets in the way and you got to do what you got to do, right? So just want you guys to know that I did not forget about you. I think our next race is actually going to be in a couple weeks, July. Let me look at the calendar. Let me look at the calendar here. We got going here. Enter my secret password. All right, calendar. Okay, so I believe not this weekend, but I think it's July 23rd and 24th, or is it 24th and 25th? Let me look. I was just looking at a calendar to figure out date, but you know what? I got my fancy schmancy. I keep a homemade calendar with dates and stuff on it in here. 20. Oh, that's August. Gotta look into July here. Okay, yeah. So the weekend of July 23rd, 24th, I believe. Lovelock is going to be racing. Lovelock Speedway. They have been closed for the last couple years, and somebody picked up the torch and is going to be opening that back up. So their first race of the year is going to be that weekend. So the goal is to get everything that I need done so I can go run that and support that track. I'm all about supporting your local tracks. In fact, public service announcement, if you can reach out and support any of your local tracks, do it. I don't know about other tracks around the country, but I know here specifically in Nevada, all of these racetracks are volunteer ran. I think they're all nonprofit organizations, and if they're not, they basically are. So if you can volunteer and help out your racetrack, your local racetrack, do it. And the best way to support your local racetrack is to show up, race, bring somebody new. Best way to do it. So that's my public service announcement. But anyways, gonna get back to trying to get this retaining wall and stuff done, and so I can finish being sidetracked so I can get back to all the fun stuff. Got a lot of work to do. There's some things I want to do to the car before it goes and races, and there's lots of stuff I want to start digging into on the Tuff truck before it goes and races. We're gonna have at it, right? So hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know this video didn't have a whole lot, didn't really have a whole lot of anything in it for you, but I want to make sure that you guys know that I didn't forget about you. I'm just doing other life things right now, because I am, you know, I'm a regular guy just like you guys. I have a day job. I have stuff that I got to get around get done around the house. Got a honey-do list, you know. I unfortunately cannot go and race 2, 3, 4 races every weekend. I did that last year. Thank you for the support of my family and, you know, my girlfriend and my boss and stuff for allowing me to do that last year. But I'm not a guy that gets to do that on the regular. So this year it's life. It's life, and I race when I can race, just like most people. So but make sure you like and subscribe. It really, really, really helps the channel out. You can share this stuff too. Comment down below. I read all the comments and stuff. I do think it's not official yet. Okay, it's not official yet, but there's probably going to be some super exciting news coming in the near future about future project. And it's one of those things that when you tell people you're going to do it, they look at you and they think you're insane. But I think you gotta be a little insane for a project like this. So stay tuned for that kind of stuff. I'm gonna keep you guys in suspense until I make it official. And if it falls through, I'll tell you what I was thinking and that plans fell through. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna happen. But like I said, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I didn't forget about you. We'll be right back to the racing stuff here soon. We'll catch you guys next time. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. And as you can see, I already got the car unloaded. I unloaded it late last night, right as light was getting ready to fade. But got it unloaded. I've also been really behind schedule. Today is Thursday, actually. But I knew that I was not going to go racing this weekend. Unfortunately, I'm going to be doing house stuff. I'm going to be building a fence and a retaining wall that needs to be done. So no racing this weekend, but I'm going to get the car all cleaned up. We got a lot of cleanup to do. Yeah, it's just pretty dirty. And a little bit of body work and some other maintenance items to do. So get it cleaned up and then get the car pushed into the garage, and that way we can start working on it slowly. Well, that plan didn't work out so well. Car's still sitting there. I got a call from my girlfriend that we were gonna go to sushi, and so I stopped everything I was doing and went and had sushi. So yeah, car didn't get washed. It got rinsed a little bit, not even really good. And then I came home and mowed my lawn in the dark. Because tomorrow's our garbage day and we like to mow the day before so we can throw the grass clippings in there and them not be sitting in our trash all week. But yeah, we'll see how well of a job I did on the grass tomorrow. I probably didn't do a very good job. So detour from the race car, but I will Yeah. I guess I'm going to come back and wash it tomorrow.